Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Unity Car. The 2025 Lexus LX 600 is a statement of luxury and power. Standing tall as one of the most refined full-size SUVs on the market, the exterior of this model is a blend of sophistication and ruggedness, maintaining its off-road credibility while exuding a commanding presence on the road. Starting at the front, the Lexus spindle grille dominates the fascia. Finished in an intricate mesh pattern that gives it a bold and aggressive stance, the grille seamlessly integrates with the sleek LED headlights, which feature Lexus' signature L-shaped daytime running lights. These lights not only enhance visibility but also add a sharp, futuristic appeal to the vehicle's front-end design. The sculpted hood carries prominent character lines that emphasize the SUV's muscular build, contributing to its powerful road presence. Moving to the side profile, the LX 600 maintains a boxy yet aerodynamic silhouette. The high beltline and pronounced wheel arches house massive 22-inch forged aluminum wheels, giving it an authoritative stance. These wheels not only elevate its road presence but also enhance durability and performance. Lexus has incorporated chrome accents along the window trim and side mirrors, adding a touch of elegance to the rugged design. The subtle creases along the doors and fenders create a sense of motion, even when the vehicle is standing still. The side mirrors are aerodynamically sculpted, featuring integrated LED turn signals for better visibility. Power retractable functionality and heating elements make them practical for all weather conditions. The door handles are flush with the body, providing a sleek look while maintaining ease of access. The side steps are intelligently designed for convenient entry and exit, blending seamlessly with the bodywork. At the rear, the Lexus LX 600 showcases a striking design with a full-width LED light bar that spans across the tailgate. This design element not only modernizes the look but also ensures enhanced visibility at night. The Lexus lettering is prominently displayed in place of the traditional emblem, a contemporary trend seen across Lexus' latest lineup. The sculpted tailgate incorporates a subtle roof spoiler, improving aerodynamics while adding a sporty touch. The rear bumper is robust, featuring a skid plate that highlights the LX 600's off-road capabilities. The dual exhaust outlets are neatly integrated, enhancing the vehicle's aggressive appeal. A hands-free power liftgate comes standard, allowing effortless access to the cargo area. The rear wiper is tucked beneath the roof spoiler, maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. Performance-wise, the LX 600's exterior design is engineered for both luxury and adventure. The high ground clearance and advanced suspension system enable superior off-road capabilities, while the lightweight aluminum body components improve efficiency and agility. The vehicle's aerodynamic enhancements, such as air channels and underbody panels, reduce drag and enhance stability. Lexus has a rich history with the LX series, dating back to its first introduction in 1996. Over the years, the LX has evolved into a symbol of reliability, durability, and premium craftsmanship. The 2025 model continues this legacy by combining a commanding design with cutting-edge technology, making it a top contender in the luxury SUV market. With a perfect balance of bold styling, aerodynamic efficiency, and off-road toughness, the Lexus LX 600 stands as a testament to Lexus' commitment to excellence. Whether navigating urban streets or conquering rough terrains, this SUV makes a statement with its presence. The refined exterior details, combined with its rugged performance, make it an exceptional choice for those who demand both luxury and capability. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care.